Zagreb, the capital city of Croatia, offers stunning scenery that is best seen from above. Using a drone, travelers can take a virtual journey and see breathtaking views of this vibrant historic city from the air. Zagreb is becoming increasingly popular with tourists due to its rich cultural heritage and numerous attractions. The city offers a wide range of museums, art galleries, theaters and music venues to suit all tastes. Whether you want to explore ancient artifacts at the Archaeological Museum or immerse yourself in contemporary art, there is something for everyone. The city of Zagreb's tourism industry has grown steadily in recent years as more and more travelers discover its charms. With many types of accommodation, from luxury hotels to cozy guest houses and apartments, tourists can find the right options for their stay. Whether you want to see historical sites or simply stroll the charming streets, the city of Zagreb has something to offer every traveler. Its warm hospitality combined with its rich cultural heritage make it an ideal destination for those looking for an unforgettable travel experience.